everyone, my YouTube channel name is Samini and my Twitter account for C9 Girls and Good Day is Tisolz, aka Tisolz. And today I'm going to be opening All Day Good Day signed version. And I'm pretty sure this album was for the girl group April. Because April, it says April Sunbeaming, basically. I'm pretty sure this doesn't come with a photo card, but that's also okay. This is the front and the back. This sticker is a Bime sticker, as I call it, and it's basically just an not-for-sale sticker. Ta-da! So we have Jiwon's signature, Bomin's signature, Viva's signature, I think, Nayoon's signature, I'm not sure right now. Lucky's signature, Jeannie's signature, Cherry's signature, Heejin's signature, and I'm not 100% sure right now. Honestly, sorry. I don't think this comes with a photo card, but that's also completely okay. So, this is how the front of the photo book looks. And this is the CD. Very badly shown, I'm sorry. I don't really have it set up and I'm filming this on my iPad, so excuse the quality. But I'm very happy to actually have it now because I've wanted it for a while, a long while. So yeah. Jeannie, Jiwon, who is also Jiwon in C9 Girls, Boomin, Nayoon, Lucky, who is Belle in C9 Girls. Then we have Good Night Unit, Han, who is Yeah in C9 Girls, Heejin, Midnight Unit, Chisel, who is my C9 Girls bias, and I feel like I should say that Good Days, my Good Day bias was actually Heejin, Viva, who is Sun in C9 Girls, and Cherry. Oh my god, this really was for April. That's so sad. This says P is Jinsul A. There was nothing with for the others, right? Yeah, so this was for April. That's sad, but I guess they couldn't keep it, which is fair. Then there's the, so I like to call them night-ish photos. By the way, I'm so sorry about this setup. I didn't know what else to place my iPad on. And I don't really have anything else to film it with, as my iPhone has no more storage. So that's pretty sad. But they do look beautiful here. And I'm very happy to have a signed version, especially before C9 Girls debut. I am definitely going to be getting a seal version of this album. And if you're interested in getting a seal one too, that's not signed, I actually have a giveaway on Tisolz, the Twitter, which will be linked in the description of this video. So yeah. along with my normal Twitter. And this is just all the thanks to. Honestly, I think it's pretty sad that this album was meant for April, but I am happy to have it now. Even though I kind of wish they could have kept it, especially because there's a whole ass PS for a teaser. So yeah. And then a group photo as the last photo. So yeah, this did not come with a photo card, but I am totally fine with that because it is a signed version. So I hope you like this unboxing of the signed version of from all 10 members. And maybe I'll be seeing you in my future videos.